Anyway, enough of that stuff.
Hi guys, I am back with another video, my first YouTube paycheck and how to make money on YouTube. Yes. This is what I was sent in the mail, Google AdSense. I was sent this in the mail, and I'll put up another picture of the inside and everything. Of course, I want to blur that part out. But anyway, you'll be sent one of these in the mail, and it will give you your PIN number and everything. So back in the day, you used to get a check. Now they deposit the money into your account. So when I first got this, I was kind of excited, like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get some money. But mine all started out with me doing a YouTube channel just to put my son's videos up just for memories. And then I decided to go on a little rant type situation with my hair, shaving my edges off. That went viral. So YouTube contacted me saying, you have money. I'm like, I got money? Because then when I started, you didn't have to go through a whole lot to start up and get your money and everything. So they contacted me and they said I made some money, I got enough views and all of that kind of stuff so that I will be getting a check. I was a little skeptical because I didn't even know you can get paid on YouTube. That's how I found out you can get paid on YouTube. So I went to the bank. I said, I want to open another account just for YouTube because I'm nervous. They were like, oh, YouTube is legitimate. You know, they really give you money, this and that other. I said, well, I want a whole nother account for that so I can go in that account, open an account, set up my account and everything. And I started getting my YouTube money. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about everything you need to go through, some of the processes, some of the ups and downs. Because some people think the subscribers don't matter. In a lot of cases, the subscribers don't matter, but for you to get started, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and so many watch hours. Like, people have to watch it for so many hours within a 12-month span. But once you reach that 1,000 subscribers, it's a lot easier. But to get to that 1,000 subscribers is not so easy. So I'm gonna let you go over and I'm gonna let you watch this video of me showing you exactly how much you have to have. Because people are like, subscribers don't matter. You can have only 2 subscribers and you get paid. You will not get paid until you reach that 1,000 subscribers. The way it's set up now, I don't know how it used to be back in the day, but right now you have to reach 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, go over and watch that video. Here we go. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. It said account status, monetization not enabled. You can apply for monetization at any time. To be reviewed, all channels need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So within 12 months, you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So yes, the subscribers do matter. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers before you can start getting paid. This requirement allows us to properly evaluate new channels and help protect the creator community. So at the top up here, see it say apply for monetization. It got a check beside it. YouTube partner program terms accepted. And then it say AdSense requested, and it got a check beside it. So this is stuff that has been done. Monetization preference set. All existing and future videos will be monetized upon channel approval. Okay, but this is what stops it, because it says reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours, and according to this, I only have 584 watch hours in the previous 12 months. Like I was telling you before, and you have to have 1,000 subscribers. So see there it says 230, and it said 1,000 needed for review. Like they won't even review it, they won't even accept it. And watch hours only 584, 4,000 needed. So yes, don't let them get you jacked up and then you over there, you getting all these views and stuff, but you're not getting paid for it because you don't have the right amount of subscribers. So the amount of hours, watch hours, and the amount of subscribers does matter. So once you reach that 1,000 subscribers, then yes, you don't have to worry about too many more subscribers after that. But you kind of want subscribers so, you know, someone will come back and watch. Okay, so the way to start out getting paid for your videos is to monetize your videos and through Google AdSense. course, that was a little paper I just showed you. That's how you actually get paid. But you have to monetize your videos. But like, you know, the video said you have to have a certain amount of subscribers, certain amount of watch hours in a year, and then they will start doing it. And so when you put your videos up, you will have to press the monetization button. Okay, so to set up your Google AdSense, you can just type in Google AdSense. It'll come up and you go through some different steps of how to set it up. Of course, I already did mine, so I can't really show you my information, but you go on there, you set it up. Of course, if you're underage, your parents have to go on there to ask you about taxes and all of that stuff like that. But of course, YouTube does not pay your taxes for you. You have to pay your own taxes, so you might want to keep a percentage of it out. Me, I keep 15%, which is more than what I need, but I keep 15% out to make sure I'm good, because a lot of times you end up having to pay taxes back because you didn't pay it during the year. So you'll go and you'll set that up, and then it'll tell you that you have a threshold of $100, so you have to be over $100 before you can cash it out. Say like you got $99. You have to wait till the following month to cash that money from the previous month because you only reached $99. Okay, so once you set up your AdSense account, then Google will go through and they'll, you know, check and everything. Then you go through this little period of a verification period. They have to check everything because your social and everything is going to be in. They have to check it. Of course, you already set up your account. You put your bank account in there so it can automatically deposit the money. So you'll go through this waiting period of verification. And at that time, after it's done, then you'll get to monetize your videos. But before that's done, you will not get paid. You'll just wait on that. Okay, so through the verification process, they'll just verify like your address, your name, social, and all that stuff like that. So with them having your address, they'll tell you they will send you something within 4 to 6 weeks. It may take a while, and that's when this comes in. You'll get this. You'll get this in the mail, and it will have your PIN in this, and you have to use this. And they'll tell you everything you need to do. But if you don't get this within 4 to 6 weeks, because some people didn't get theirs, request a new one, because I had to. So I'm going to show you this. This is what it looks like. You'll get this, and your pen will be right here. I'm covering it up. Your pen will be here, and it will tell you the steps that you need to follow. So you need to go to Google AdSense. You need to put in your email address and your password. Then you need to go to this little icon here and go to payments, then account information, and verify your address, and then you will submit your PIN. Like I said, you need this to get started. So if you do not get this, you need to request another one. And after you do that, you will put in your account information, your bank account information. Of course, if you don't have one, you have to use somebody else's bank account or something. But you have to put in that information so they will be able to deposit your checks. You want to make sure that's correct, because you do want your money put in the right bank account, and you want your address and everything to be correct. So make sure you have all the information correct. Okay, so after you set up your bank account, they're going to send you a couple cents, like maybe 1 cent, to verify that that is your account. And then you're going to verify it by going back to Google AdSense, and they're going to tell you to put in how much money they deposited in your account, so that way they'll know that your account is active and that is the correct account. So that's smart of them to do that, because just think about if you put the wrong account. But anyway, that's how they verify your bank account information. Okay, and then your last step, of course, is your tax information. Of course, you're going to have to give them all your tax information, your name, address, and all the stuff that they ask you for. That part is simple. Just get to that part. It'll be under, I think, address or something like that. But anyway, you'll see that it says tax information. You go in there, you make sure all that stuff is straight, because you want your information to be correct, because they will send you something when it's time for tax time. They'll send you something telling how much you made and all of that. And that way you be able to fill out your taxes, or whoever's going to do your taxes for you will be able to do that. Just like a regular job. Yes, people be like, oh, YouTube is not a job. Apparently it's a job, because taxes will be taken out whether you take it out or not, but they're going to know you're supposed to. So IRS is not going to be playing. So yes, YouTube is considered a job. Okay, so of course, after you go through all of that, it'll take a while, you know, everything is set, and then you will be able to monetize your videos. And like I said, the threshold is $100, so you have to have $100 or make $100 in order to actually get a check. So you have to meet $100. So this month you only make $99. You can't get it this month. You have to wait the following month until you reach $100. But okay, so the amount of money that you make depends on the amount of views you get. Every 1,000 views is $1. Every 1,000 views is $1. So I feel like, oh, they got 1,000 views. No, every 1,000. So if you see somebody with 1,000 views on a video, they made $1 off of that video. So I mean, it's money, you know. It's doing something you like. I like YouTube. I like to do YouTube videos, so it's worth it. My very first check was pretty good. I'm gonna put it below. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I did okay. I was surprised by it because I didn't even know I could make money off of it at first. But like I said, every 1,000 views is $1. My summer seemed to be my best months for some reason. I guess because maybe I make more videos or I make better content because better crazy stuff is going on then. I got more videos to do. Anyway, I just want to come share that with you guys. Hopefully that helps. Thank you guys for watching. Be blessed. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. Subscribe to my other channel if you hadn't already. Make sure you check me out on social media and make sure you check out my Amazon shop. Thank you guys for watching.